What's going on, guys? Isaac here, back with another video. Today we're gonna be throwing some water bottles, like filled water bottles, off my roof. Well, this roof, look, hang on, that roof. Oh my god, we're gonna fill them up and then we're gonna see them explode. Let's go. Alright, so the water bottles are inside of here. Let me see. Yeah. Ian, do you want to help me?
I want to do it.
Alright, then help me. Alright, so one. I don't know if we should do big ones. Let me see. Some don't have. Hang on, we'll use this big one. Two. This one. This one. Oh my god, we have a bunch of big ones. A Sprite. So we have 5 right now. This one, and this one. Boom. All water bottles. Alright, boys, look. So here how it goes. So I turn on the water, and Ian fills them up over there. See? And when he says stop, I just gotta stop it.
Stop!
See? And so far we have 3 water bottles filled up. They're not water bottles, they're like soda and juice. Another juice water bottle. Alright. Hurry up, let's go. Taking a long time to do this. Oh my god, it's a mini one.
I go.
Alright.
At least it's 52. Stop!
Alright. Oh! Bro. Okay. Go ahead and put the cap on. Pull it tight. Alright, so guys, I thought of an idea. We are not gonna get on top of that because this ladder can't reach. Look. So wait, hang on. Wait. So look, when we get on, look. Oh, freaking danger! Look, we might freaking like fall off or something. Something like that because it doesn't reach. Turn this bad boy on. Alright, guys. So here. I am done filling up all the water bottles. Oh, frick. What the? Hang on. I'll tell you when. Is it ready? I'm gonna blow this one in. Yoinks. Oh, there it is. It didn't blow up. Oh, here. Hold the camera. Is it playing? Alright, look, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It didn't blow up! Oh my god, ready? 3, 2, 1. What? Bro, how long does it take to blow the freak up? Alright, this is on. Go. Oh my god. Bro, guys, it's an unstoppable Gatorade bottle. Go. Oh shit. Oh! Yeah, it barely blew up that. Bruh. Alright, go. Let's see. Oh! No, the Gatorade. No way. Oh. For the victory. Bro, you're throwing a Sprite already? Alright, go. Oh. Let me try.
Oh yeah, you do that.
Hang on, let me try. I'm gonna throw this bad boy up in there. Hang on, don't do it. Oh, frick. Oh.
Oh, I blow them.
Go.
It landed on the cat. Here, let me try. Oh.
Go. Blow it high. Do it high. Do it high.
Yeah, you did.
Blow that shit. Go. Hurry up. Do it.
Oh, it's dripping more.
Move. Let me try. Alright, go. Ooh, let me try.
Oh, it's about to blow.
Oh, bro, nah. It hasn't died, bro. Oh my. What does it take to blow up? Bro, smash it on the ground. Ooh.
Good thing it was not the one. No.
Alright, go quick. How long does it take to blow this water bottle up? Here are the other ones, guys. Look, the remainder of this one.
Alright, I got it.
Oh, you know what I'm saying. Go. Oh, don't throw it at me. Frick down. Oh! Go. Hurry up.
Ah!
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, nah, it blew up. Hang on. Oh my god. Victory. Alright, guys, here are the last two. So, I'm gonna do this one, and Ian's gonna do the other one. Alright, guys, so I set the camera up. Alright, Ian, go. Blow it up.
Okay.
Go. Oh. Alright, my turn. Move. Alright, ready, guys? Hurry up. Oh my goodness!